Good morning everybody. Welcome to online classes GKRB Dota. Today we start our video sessions chapter 3rd. Topic is what? Understanding geometry, understanding quadrilaterals. Already you know about the many quadrilaterals and many plane surface and curved surface. So today we learn about the plane surface and curved surface. Plane surface means what's the things, see the board has all side of plane surface, that's why board is called plane surface. Then curved surface means what? The surface that things that is curved, like here. The board is what? Here, plane. Plane surface, but curved surface. Curved surface means what? The line is curved, like this is the curve. Yeah, curved surface. The examples like road is a curved. Many times roads are so plane surface. Then curved surface, like walls, like angles. All these things are what? Curved surface. Curve means what? The bend. Curve, you know, like here. It is curve here. Turn like a curve. That means it is what? Curve. Okay. Curved surface, then you know many surface. Then surface also two types. First one is open, then second one is closed. Open surface and closed surface. What is called open, closed, and open surface and closed surface. See the boards. Okay, open surface and closed surface. See now here, what we do, observe the circles here closed, but here closed and plane surface. But see here. Here the figure is look what a curve. That's why this one is closed surface. Closed surface. Then another one is curve. Closed surface and another is open surface. That means here open. Here figure, see the board. Here what way is there. That's why both is open. What? Open. Open surface is there. Now already you know about the what is closed plane surface, curved surface, open surface, and what? Closed surface. Now we know about the polygon. What is polygon? Polygon means what? A figure is minimum what? A figure is made by 3 line segments. More than 3 lines. That means 3 line segments. Line segment means what? Line segments are curved or straight. Line segment is always what? Straight is there. Then 3 line segments make a polygon, and more than 3 line segments and also called a polygon. Then there are different type of polygon is there, like triangle, square, or pentagon, hexagon, tetragon. All these are the quadrilaterals. Now we know about the quadrilaterals. Okay. Now we know about the quadrilaterals. Now we know about the polygons. There are many types of polygons. First polygon is what? Triangle. That can make by 3 line segments. More than 3 line segments also are called polygon, but their sides are more. Then if you the 4 sides are called quadrilaterals. If the figure see the here, how many sides is there? 5 sides is there. 5 sides. That means that is pentagon. Then see here, how many sides is there? 6 sides. 6 sides is called hexagon. Then see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides is there. 7 sides is called heptagon. Clear about it? Then all these are what? Polygons. But their sides are many sides. 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides. Now 8 sides are called octagon. 9 sides are called nonagon, and 10 sides are called decagon. Today we learn how many sides are up to 10 sides. More than 10 sides also is there, but only now we know about the quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon. Now we know about the diagonals. What are the diagonals? See here. Here diagonal. Okay. Now take another pictures and make a diagonals. Okay. What are diagonals? In every polygon has a diagonal is there. See the word. What are the diagonals? First we know about the diagonal. Okay. Here first we know about the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is there. Then quadrilateral. Then what? If you name the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay. Then here AB, then BD, then CD, then what? AB, BD, CD, then AC. These are called what? Side. Okay. Then A. Okay. A, B, C, D, sorry, ABD, then BDC, then DCA, DCA. After DCA, CAB, CAB. These are called what? Angle. Okay. Angle. Then after angles, we know about the vertex. What are called vertex? A, B, C, D. How many vertices is there? 4 vertices. Then A, B, C, and D. What A, B, C, and D are vertices. Okay. Vertex. Now we know about the diagonal. What are diagonal? When we join to the consecutives, odd consecutives angles, like A join with B and B join with C. Then here this is called diagonal. Okay. Diagonal. Here about. Then how many diagonal is there? 2 diagonal in a square. Then how we find the diagonals? There is a formula is there. Okay. That means n into n minus 3 by 2 equal to diagonals. A polygon of n sides. If we know the sides, then easily we can find their diagonals. How we find the diagonals of a polygon? See the board. Okay. Now a polygon. Here make another polygon. See here. This one is also a polygon. Then how many diagonals? How you find? Here is a formula is there. We can easily find the diagonals of any polygons. That is the formula is what? N. Number of diagonal we take n, and the number of diagonal n into n minus 3 by 2 is equal to diagonal. Then a polygon of n sides has n sides. Okay. A polygon has n sides. Then what? N into n minus 3. N into n minus 3 by 2 equal to diagonal. Okay. How see here? How many sides is there here? 4 sides is there. Then let me find the answer. 4 sides is there. Okay. Then n 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. Okay. Then 4 minus 3 how much? 1. 4 into 1 equal to 1. 1 by 2. 4 by 2 equal to 2. How many diagonal is there? 2 diagonal is there. When we only construct 2 diagonal, one diagonal, another diagonal. Clear about the diagonal? How can we find the diagonals of any figure? Let's another examples. We take like the pentagon of the 5 sides. See the how many diagonals we can find easily. Find the diagonals. If polygon is given and ask about the how many diagonals construction, then you can easily find the diagonals. Let's another diagonals. Okay, another figure 5 sides. 5 sides is called what? Pentagon. In how many sides? Then formula is what? N into n minus 3 by 2. Use the formula. Then we got the diagonals. Then how many sides is there here? 5 sides. How many sides? 5 sides. It means 5 into 5 minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 into 2 by 2 equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. That means in this figure we can construct how many diagonals? 5 diagonals. How we construct 5 diagonals? See here. 1, 2, okay. Then 3, then here on this side 4 and 5. How many diagonals we can constructions? 5 diagonals. Clear? How you find the diagonals of a figures? Any quadrilaterals. Now we know about the interior and exterior of the figures. Okay, interior and exterior of the polygons. You know exterior and interior. Exterior part means the parts which are outside the polygons, and interior means the parts or the points inside the polygon. See, you know about the exterior and interior. Exterior and interior. Okay, exterior and interior of polygon. Exterior and interior of polygon. See, when we construct a polygons, here is the polygon is there. Okay, ABCD is there. X, Y, Z. N, O. Then which are the exterior and interior? Exterior means what? Outside the polygon. Interior means what? Inside the polygon. Then which points are inside the polygon? Here X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z are called what? Exterior. Exterior. and here M N O M N O M N and O is interior. Clear about the exterior and sorry, by mistake I write exterior instead of interior. Then forget the before 1 minute video and see here X Y Z is interior. By mistakenly I write what? Exterior, but it is not exterior, it is interior. So don't take it in mind and see the answer. This one is what? X Y Z inside the figure. That's why this is interior. Okay. Interior and M N O is outside the figure. That's why this is exterior. Okay. Exterior. Here about the interior and exterior of the polygons. Now we know about the regular and irregular polygon. What are the regular polygon and irregular polygon? See the board. Clear about the exterior and interior of the polygon. Now regular and irregular polygon. Okay. Regular and irregular. Regular and irregular polygon. Regular polygon means what? Regular polygon means the polygons which is what? They are all sides are equal. Regular polygon means all sides are equal. A polygon whose all angle and all sides are equal, that is called regular polygon. What? See. Regular. Regular means what? What are the regulars? The polygon which have all angle and all sides are equal. That means a polygon having all sides and all angle are equal. All angle are what? All angle are equal. That is called. Each called what? Angle are equal. Each called regular. Regular polygon. Then just opposite of irregular polygon. Irregular polygon means what? A polygon which are not regular polygon. Irregular, a polygon which are not. An example is what? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. All you know, equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. Another example is square. Or another example is what? Square and equilateral triangle are the examples of regular what? Polygon. Clear about it? Now we know about the irregular. Okay. Then what are the example of regular polygon? Regular polygon example is equilateral, triangle and square. You know the figure is look like a triangle. Now we know about the irregular. Irregular means what? A polygon which is not regular polygon. A polygon which is not regular polygon is called irregular polygon. Clear about the irregular polygon? Now we know and now we discuss about the irregular polygon. Irregular polygon, what is irregular polygon? The polygon which is not regular polygon. Okay. The polygon which is not regular polygon it's called what? Irregular polygon. Irregular polygon example. You know, regular polygon means what? All angle and all sides are equal. There are many angles there and polytons there. That is that all sides are not equal. Okay. An example is what? Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. Example of what? Irregular polygon, quadrilaterals, pentagon. All these are the examples. Okay. Irregular polygons means the different angle and different side. Now we discuss about the convex and convex polygons. Okay. Convex and convex polygon. Okay. Now we discuss about the convex and convex polygons. What is convex? Convex means the polygon that have no person to construct a diagonal of exterior of the figures. And concave means what? The in any what's quadrilateral or polygons that have a person for outside exterior person for the draw a diagonal. Let the example of first convex. Okay, example. Okay. Here three figure is there. We can able to draw what diagonal exterior of the figure polygons. But see. Okay. Another example is what? See here. See the both. What are the difference in both convex? First one is convex. Convex. Concave. Okay. Convex and concave. Here see. When we draw diagonal in quadrilaterals, all diagonals what? What? Exterior or interior? Convex means what? Convex means what? When we what? Construct the diagonals, all diagonals inside, not outside. Here also we can what? Draw a diagonal, what? Inside or outside? Inside. Then here we also construct a diagonal what? Inside. Inside. That means we know convex means what? The diagonals can construct inside. Which side? Inside or outside? Okay. Inside or outside? Inside. But in a concave, the diagonal can possible to draw exterior of the polygon. See here, we can draw the polygon here, diagonal is draw here, here also you can draw, here also you can draw. That's why these figures are called concave and this one convex. Convex and concave clearly understood. What is convex and convex? Convex means what? The polygons which have unable to draw exterior diagonals, and convex means what? The polygons which have portion for the exterior diagonal. Clear about it? Now we know about the properties of polygons. Already you know about the properties of polygons. Property of polygons means the interior angles, sum of angles or sum of triangles is 180 degree. Okay. Now we learn about the properties of polygon. Properties of polygon means polygons have three sides. Polygons have 3 angles and 4 angles. Then first we know about the interior angle sum property. Okay. Interior angle sum property. Some properties, that means what? If polygon is there, the sum of measures of 3 angles. Okay, the sum of measures of 3 angles. How many angles? 3 interior angles. Is 180 and 4 interior angle. 4 interior angle is 360. And let's the examples here. Then 3 angles property is what? 180 degree. Then angle 1 plus angle 2 plus what? Angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Then 4 angles property is how much? 360 degree. Okay. Then have angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 equal to 180 degree. That means that name of the triangle is what? A, B, C. That means D is there. So triangle ADC. A, B, C equal to 180 degree. Here angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Angle 4 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 180 degree. 180 degree is there. That's what is the name of the triangle ABC? A, B, C. Triangle ABC equal to 180 degree. And both triangle is what? Both triangle, then triangle ABC and triangle ADC equal to ABC plus ABC equal to 360 degree. Here, see here, we write that sum of 4 angles. Then in a both triangles, how many angles is there? Here 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, and 4 angle. Measure of 4 angle is how much? 360 degree. Clear? 360 degree is there. Now we know about the properties of another examples. Okay. So today we know what's if we a polygon of n side. Any polygon at the sides taken by n and is divided into n minus 2. That means side minus 2 of any triangles. Okay. Then so the sum of the measures of all the interior angle. Sum of the measures how many? That's triangle, quadrilateral, any polygon. Then n sided polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Then we can got the what? Interior angles measure easily. Now we know about the interior angle and exterior angle. Okay. Now we know about the exterior angle and interior angle. Okay. Exterior and interior angle. Before classes you know about the exterior angle and interior angle. Then for exterior angle, sum of for exterior angle is what? 360 degree. Okay. So we know about the see the boards what are the exterior and what are the interior. The exterior means what? Which angle is exterior of the angle? Here, see here. 4, 6, 5. Here also you know each and how many exterior angle is there? In each vertex 3 exterior angle is there. 1, 2, and 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Here also when we draw, then how many exterior angle got? 1, 2, and 3 exterior angle we got. Then interior angle means what? The angle which is inside the triangles or inside the polygon. And exterior means what? The angle which is outside the polygons or outside the any quadrilaterals. Okay. Then here 1, 2, 3 are interior and 4, 5 and 6 are what? Exterior. Okay. One thing you know that is what? Sum of 4 exterior angle. Sum of 4 exterior angle is 360 degree. Clear about the exterior angle, interior angles. How you find the exterior angle, interior angle? Let's the examples. Okay. Find the measure of what? X. You can find the exterior value of x. How you find? We know property of triangle is what? 180 degree. That means A plus B plus C. That means angle A, angle B, angle C equal to what? 180 degree is there. We can also directly find the answer. But you see here. Okay. 60 plus 40 degree. C equal to 180 degree. C equal to 180 minus 100. C equal to 80 degree is there. Okay. Then we got the what? C. Here C. AC here D. ACD and ACB is a straight angle. That means straight angle measure of straight angle is what? Always 180 degree. That's why. See here ACD angle ACD plus angle ACB equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because that is straight angle. Value of straight angle. Also you can find the answer. So easily what? ACB and ACB is what? So ACD, value of ACB is what here? 80 degree. We find it. Then 80 degree equal to 180 degree. Then ACB equal to 180 degree. Okay. Minus 80 degree equal to 100. So x equal to what? Hence x equal to 100 degree. Clear? How you find easily? Also one rule is there. What? If sum of interior angle is the equal to the exterior angle. Sum of two exterior angle. Okay, that means the not a consecutive. That is the sum of the two exterior angle. Distance between two exterior angle 60 plus 40 equal to also 100. You can find easily the what? Value of exterior angle, also value of interior angle. Clear about how you find the exterior angles of given polygons? Clear? You easily find exterior angles. How you learn? Use this process, alternate process also. What? Sum of the in both what distance? What are the both are the distance of the this one? Then you can easily alternate methods. You can sum of two interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. You can easily learn today about the quadrilaterals, polygon, exterior, interior, and properties of triangle. I hope, and you can many times practice it at your home and easily got the answer. Bye. We will meet you in next class.